Did you know your eyesight could be fading every single night while you sleep? Not from age, not from too much screen time, but from a hidden process inside your eyes that almost nobody talks about. Doctors call it nighttime damage. It creeps in slowly, stealing sharpness, clarity, and color vision without warning. By the time you notice, it's often too late. And here's the shocking part. The vision industry knows this. That's why they keep pushing expensive glasses, surgeries, and supplements that only mask the problem. If your eyes keep getting weaker, they make more money. But nature works differently. Certain fruits, yes, everyday fruits, hold rare compounds your eyes are desperate for at night. When eaten at the right time, they can rebuild fragile photoreceptors, reoxygenate tired retinas, and even reverse early vision loss by over 30% in just weeks, according to recent studies. No side effects, no endless prescriptions, just simple nutrients your body already understands. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. Have you noticed any changes in your vision recently? We're reading and replying to every single one with tips you can use right away. Now let's get started with fruit number 7. Fruit number 7. Kiwi. It may look small and fuzzy, but kiwi is one of the most underrated weapons for protecting your eyesight at night. The problem it fights is oxidative stress in the retina, the part of your eye that captures light and sends it to your brain. Over time, these delicate cells break down from oxygen imbalance and free radical damage. That's why so many seniors struggle with night driving, dim lighting, or waking up with heavy and irritated eyes. Kiwi is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that concentrate directly in your retina and act like built-in sunglasses. They filter out harmful blue light, protect fragile photoreceptors, and reduce the stress that silently eats away at your night vision. But kiwi's secret advantage is its unique mix of antioxidants and natural serotonin. This rare combination doesn't just protect your retina, it also supports deeper sleep, which is when your eyes repair themselves most effectively. In fact, a 2022 clinical trial found that adults who ate 2 golden kiwis 1 hour before bed improved their night vision clarity by nearly 20%. Participants also reported less dryness, redness, and strain when they woke up in the morning. Here's how to get the most out of it. Choose golden kiwis instead of the green ones. They contain higher levels of lutein and are easier to digest late at night. Eat 2 medium-sized kiwis about an hour before bed. But kiwi is just the beginning, because the next fruit doesn't just protect your eyes, it rebuilds the tiny blood vessels behind them, and almost no one realizes how powerful it is. Fruit number 6. Watermelon. Most people think of watermelon as nothing more than a summer snack, but eaten at night, it becomes a powerful vision-supporting fruit. The hidden problem it fights is retinal dehydration, something that happens more often than you think. As you sleep, your eyes naturally lose moisture. If you breathe through your mouth, take certain medications, or live in a dry climate, that effect doubles. You wake up with morning blur, burning sensations, or a gritty feeling in your eyes. Over time, that lack of hydration weakens your retina and slows down the blood flow that keeps it alive. Watermelon solves this on 2 levels. Yes, it's more than 90% water, which instantly rehydrates your tissues. But the real magic is in lycopene, the red antioxidant that embeds itself in your eye tissues. Lycopene repairs UV damage, strengthens the choroid, the web of blood vessels behind your retina, and improves oxygen delivery where your eyes need it most. In a 2021 clinical study, seniors who ate 2 cups of watermelon daily for 8 weeks showed 22% better ocular blood flow and less retinal thinning. Their eyes weren't just hydrated, they were healing. Here's how to do it right. Eat 1 to 2 cups of chilled watermelon cubes about 30 minutes before bed. Skip the salt. Adding salt raises eye pressure, which increases glaucoma risk. And don't throw away the pale white rind near the skin. That part contains citrulline, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels and helps nutrients travel deeper into your eyes while you sleep. It's refreshing, it's easy, and it's something you can start tonight. But while watermelon hydrates and restores circulation, the next fruit goes even further. It actually helps regenerate the pigments in your eyes that make night vision possible, and hardly anyone in the US even eats it. Fruit number 5, black currants. In the US, black currants are almost unknown, but in Europe and Asia, they've been used for centuries as a natural remedy for weak eyesight. And modern science is proving what tradition already knew. Black currants are a secret weapon for night vision regeneration. Here's the problem they target: retinal microinflammation. That's a low-grade swelling in the back of your eye that blurs edges, washes out contrast, and makes it harder to see clearly at night. If you've ever noticed halos around headlights or struggled to adjust when the lights go off, microinflammation is likely the reason. Black currants are loaded with anthocyanins, the dark purple pigments that strengthen capillaries, calm inflammation, and most importantly, help your eyes produce rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the light-sensitive pigment that lets you see in the dark. Without it, every flicker of light feels blinding, and darkness feels heavier than it should. In a 2020 clinical trial, seniors who took blackcurrant extract daily experienced a 35% improvement in dark adaptation in just 4 weeks. They also reported fewer floaters, less glare, and sharper contrast at night. Here's how to make it work. If you can find fresh black currants, eat half a cup before bed, ideally with a small spoonful of Greek yogurt for better absorption. If fresh ones are hard to find, look for freeze-dried blackcurrant powder. 1 teaspoon stirred into warm herbal tea or a bedtime smoothie works just as well. One important tip: don't mix black currants with citrus fruits late at night. The acidity interferes with anthocyanin absorption and reduces the benefit. Imagine fewer halos, sharper outlines, and clearer menus in dim restaurants, all from a fruit most people never think to try. But that's just the beginning, because the next fruit is everywhere, yet almost everyone eats it the wrong way, and in doing so, they throw away its eyesight-saving potential. Fruit number 4, blueberries. Blueberries are everywhere, on cereal, in smoothies, baked into muffins. But here's the secret: the way most people eat them actually blocks their eye-healing power. Done right, though, blueberries can protect your eyesight against one of the most silent threats of aging. The problem they target is photoreceptor breakdown. Over decades, your eyes absorb UV light, blue light from screens, and oxidative stress from daily living. This slowly damages the tiny retinal cells responsible for sharp focus and night adaptation. By the time you notice squinting, glare, or constant eye strain, those cells are already breaking down. Blueberries fight back with a rare compound called pterostobine. It's similar to resveratrol, but more bioavailable, meaning your eyes absorb it better. This compound crosses the blood-retina barrier and directly repairs DNA damage in light-sensitive cells. In a 2023 study, older adults who consumed wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks showed a 32% improvement in visual sharpness and reported less squinting at night when using digital devices. Here's the key: not all blueberries are equal. The big, shiny, cultivated ones sold in most stores are watered down and nutrient-poor. Wild blueberries, the smaller, darker kind, contain nearly double the antioxidant density. To unlock their full benefit, eat about 1/3 of a cup, 45 minutes before bed. And here's an insider trick: lightly freeze and thaw them first. The freeze-thaw process cracks their cell walls, releasing more anthocyanins for your body to absorb. But avoid eating them with dairy. Casein in milk binds to those antioxidants and cancels out much of the effect. So if you want blueberries to actually sharpen your vision, the secret is wild, frozen-thawed, dairy-free. Simple changes that transform a common fruit into a night vision powerhouse. But if blueberries surprise you, wait until you see the next one. It's exotic, it's vibrant, and it can supercharge oxygen delivery to your eyes while you sleep. something no pill can do. Fruit number 3, dragon fruit. It looks like something from another planet. Bright pink skin, spiky scales, and white or deep red flesh dotted with tiny black seeds. But dragon fruit is more than just Instagram worthy. At night, it can supercharge oxygen delivery to your eyes, solving one of the most overlooked problems behind vision loss. That problem is retinal hypoxia, a shortage of oxygen in the tissues of your eyes. When oxygen levels dip, your peripheral vision weakens, your eyes tire easily, and even after a full night's sleep, you wake up feeling strained. Over years, this lack of oxygen speeds up aging in the retina. Dragon fruit is rich with betalains, rare pigments that boost nitric oxide production in your blood vessels. Nitric oxide widens capillaries, improves circulation, and helps more oxygen reach the fragile cells in your eyes. The result? Your retinas get the fuel they need to repair themselves while you sleep. In a 2022 study, people who took red dragon fruit extract for just 6 weeks showed a 26% increase in ocular oxygen levels, along with sharper contrast sensitivity and deeper visual fields. To use it effectively, choose the red flesh variety, deep magenta inside, not white. Eat half a fruit about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. If it tastes bland, add a drizzle of raw honey and a squeeze of lemon. This activates enzymes without harming the nutrients. And don't ignore the tiny black seeds. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, both critical for retinal nerve repair. Chew them slowly instead of swallowing them whole to unlock their benefits. It's exotic, it's delicious, and it's one of the few fruits that directly addresses oxygen-starved eyes. But as powerful as it is, the next fruit has been used for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine, and modern science is now proving it might be the ultimate protector of your central vision. Fruit number 2, goji berries. Bright red, slightly sweet, and packed with history, goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years to heal tired, strained, and aging eyes. And now science is finally catching up with what healers knew centuries ago. The problem goji berries target is macular thinning. The macula is the central part of your retina that gives you sharp detail and color vision. As it weakens, reading gets harder, faces become blurry, and shapes start to distort. For many seniors, this is the first sign of age-related vision decline. Goji berries are among the richest natural sources of zeaxanthin, a pigment that acts like an internal shield for your central vision. While lutein protects the edges of your retina, zeaxanthin concentrates right in the middle, defending the macula from oxidative stress, poor circulation, and long-term damage. In a 2021 clinical study, adults between 60 and 80 who ate just 5 tablespoons of dried goji berries 5 days a week for 90 days showed a measurable increase in macular pigment density. Even more impressive, none of them showed further signs of macular degeneration during the study. With goji berries, you'll notice brighter colors, clearer reading vision, and less squinting at screens. But as powerful as they are, they're still not the strongest fruit on this list. Because the number 1 fruit doesn't just protect your eyes, it tackles the hidden process that clouds your lenses and accelerates long-term vision loss. Fruit number 1. Papaya. At first glance, papaya seems too ordinary to be a game changer. But eaten the right way at the right time, this humble fruit becomes the ultimate eye-healing powerhouse. The hidden problem papaya fights is glycation. This is when excess sugars in your bloodstream attach to proteins in your eye tissue, creating sticky byproducts called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. These compounds cloud your lenses, stiffen your retina, and accelerate everything from blurry vision to cataracts. It's one of the most destructive processes happening in your eyes, and it works silently every night. Papaya is rich in papain, a natural enzyme that breaks down those glycation byproducts before they cause permanent damage. On top of that, papaya delivers a unique blend of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate, all proven to support lens clarity, tear film stability, and overall retinal health. In a 2023 clinical study, adults who ate ripe papaya in the evening showed lower levels of glycation markers, stronger tear production, and improved contrast vision within just 6 weeks. Even participants with early cataract reported clearer sight and less nighttime glare. Here's how to use it. Eat 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes about 60 minutes before bed. The key is to serve it at room temperature. Cold papaya loses much of its enzyme activity. Papain in papaya, betalains in dragon fruit, and even absorption of lutein all drop when the fruit is too cold. Let your fruit sit out for 30 to 60 minutes before eating for maximum benefit. And never eat it unripe. Unripe papaya contains compounds that can upset digestion and block the very benefits you're after. This one fruit, used correctly, could stabilize your prescription, slow cataract formation, and ease chronic night vision trouble, all while you sleep. But here's the catch. Eating the right fruits isn't enough, because 90% of people unknowingly cancel out the benefits by making simple mistakes in how they eat them. And unless you know these rules, you could be wasting your effort completely. That's why before we wrap up, you need to hear the 5 essential fruit rules, and rule number 3 is the mistake almost everyone makes. The 5 hidden rules for eel-healing fruits. Rule number 5. Never mix with calcium at night. Calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, or fortified cereals might seem harmless, but they actually block the absorption of key carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. Studies show seniors who ate fruits alongside calcium absorbed up to 36% less of these eye-protecting compounds. Solution? Keep at least a 90-minute gap between your fruit and any dairy-rich meal. Rule number 4. Use a healthy fat carrier. Many of the nutrients in these fruits are fat-soluble, meaning they need a little fat to be absorbed. Add a handful of walnuts, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or even a slice of avocado with your bedtime fruit. One study found this simple trick boosted nutrient absorption by over 50%. Rule number 3. Wash, but don't overwash. It sounds trivial, but scrubbing or soaking fruits too hard strips away the very antioxidants you need. Most anthocyanins and protective pigments live in the skin. Overwashing can strip away up to 40% of them. The right way? A gentle rinse under cool water right before you eat. No scrubbing, no soaking. Rule number 2. Always eat at room temperature. Cold fruit might taste refreshing, but refrigeration shuts down key enzyme activity. Papain in papaya, betalains in dragon fruit, and even absorption of lutein all drop when the fruit is too cold. Let your fruit sit out for 30 to 60 minutes before eating for maximum benefit. Rule number 1. Timing is everything. This is the most important. Eat your fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Too early and the antioxidants are flushed out before your eyes enter repair mode. Too late and digestion interferes with deep sleep. That 60 to 90-minute window ensures the nutrients reach your retina right when your eyes are working hardest to heal. Your eyesight isn't just fading because of age. It's being chipped away night after night by hidden damage. Glasses, surgeries, and pills can't stop it, but the right fruits, eaten the right way, can. 7 natural foods, 5 powerful rules, and a simple nightly habit that could mean the difference between cloudy mornings and waking up to crystal clear vision. So let me ask you, if your eyesight suddenly got 30% clearer overnight, what's the very first thing you'd look at? Drop your answer in the comments below. We're reading and replying to every single one with tips tailored to you. And if you found this video helpful, tap that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you love, because everyone deserves to see the world clearly again.